Here we go. This is
Uh-oh.
I picked this one for Mo.
Okay. Why?
What do you mean? This is your guy. You know that guy?
Yeah, I don't remember his name, but it's Cucumber. I can see.
Yeah. So what's his name?
I don't remember something Cucumber.
Do you know his name, Will?
Benedict Cumberbatch?
Cumberbatch.
I
There we
think
go.
you mean
Cucumber?
I think you mean Cucumberbatch.
Yes.
I think you mean Benedict Cucumberbatch.
Yeah.
No? Mo?
Yeah, I'm with that.
Can we
That's the name
are
that
we
I
allowed to do this or
Yeah,
what?
yeah,
Okay,
go
here
ahead.
you go. Click play.
Oh, so she's pre-cut a cucumber and she's dressing him up in a nice tie.
There you go. That's pretty good. No, come
Cucumberbatch.
on, Will.
That's great. I
Come
like it.
on. Shout
I
out
like
Tim.
the-
Shout out Tim.
I like the 360 spin.
But you know
me see it.
when he gets his second sleeve is quite a moment right there. Bang,
Yeah.
Benedict Cucumberbatch. No, when he gets his second sleeve right there, bang.
Bang, yeah.
You're like, oh damn.
There you see it happen.
And a tie.
The tie is the touch for me. That's what does it.
I mean, this guy. The texture of the cucumber skin actually looks like a suit.
yeah. There's weird you can see depth in this.
Yes, it's like a 3D type of
Yeah.
suit because
Yeah.
of texture and so forth. So
Well, that was great.
that's Benedict Cucumberbatch. I picked that for you, Mo.